Alright, back out here in Nevada. Not a hike this time, but going to take my chances on trying to catch a fish in Lake Mead. Apparently, I've been hearing a lot of stories about it's not good to fish out here because of dead bodies and wrecked cars or whatever the hell goes on going out here. But gonna find out today. I met like 10 fishermen. They haven't caught a thing, but there have been some state record fish caught out of this lake before. So let's see what happens. I'm gonna be using live worms as my bait, and I'm gonna throw out a jig and some, paddle tails or something to see how they do for the largemouth bass and the hybrid bass, or smallmouth bass and hybrid bass, and see what happens. So stay tuned. Setting up some rocks to get my rod stable, like I used to do when I catfished in Kansas. Well, let's see what happens. Like this big, gotta have something inside of it. Aside from jet skis everywhere disturbing the peace. Right now I'm using a Super Vibrex size 3 spinnerbait in hopes of catching smallmouth bass or something. At this point, I'm just practicing the cast because I don't think anything's gonna hit. Apparently there's some kind of fish out here, but need a live scope, boat, kayak, some other device aside from fishing from the bank to make it happen. But I'm here, and aside from the jet skis, it's pretty peaceful, so that's kind of all that matters for the most part. But it would be nice to get into a fish fight today. This is the fishing area. Jet skis and boats, that's all you see. The goat fishing bait. Will it work today? I don't know. So far, no bites. But I might be surprised. Alright, fish, give me some action. duck has his whole head, his butt up in the air, looking for something down there. Mallard, male. Cast number 12. Oh shit. Well, snap my line. Time to re-rig it. Well, I'm about to go have some lunch. Haven't got one bite. I'm gonna figure this out. Well, I gotta buy a kayak, rent a boat, something. But with all this massive water, one of the largest man-made reservoirs in the world, there should be at least a few fish. But offshore fishing, I mean, fishing from the bank is not ideal. So let's see what happens. Probably can't hear me because it's so windy out here and so many waves. But worst case, I'll adjust the volume a little bit. Let's see what next I can find. Let's see what I can find next. Well, fish aren't biting, so I'm gonna go grab some lunch at the marina, the Lake Mead Marina. See what's happening over here. It's a pretty big pier, and it looks like there's a boat show going on today. Look at the little duckies. Yeah, so let's see what happens. Should be interesting. The restaurant's not gonna be in this space, so I'm probably not gonna eat there. We'll see. Kept it simple and got burger and fries, which was pretty good. This huge carp just swam right by my camera. No wonder I couldn't find any fish. They're all hiding safely under the boat dock, where fishing is not allowed. Check out this huge school of striped bass. It was at least maybe 100, 200 or so, with a few large grass carps mixed in there. Check this one out. It's freaking huge. Just stumbled upon this big money boat exhibit. The cheapest boat is like 180 grand. Super nice boats that apparently folks can afford. Look at that. That is so freaking nice. Super nice. Luxury. buy one of these boats? I wouldn't. I get a bass boat instead. If you want to party and do that kind of stuff, then sure. But it's not for me. But yeah, this is nice though. Old Lake Mead. All the fish are hiding on this marina. They sure aren't out there anywhere. Not up close at least. $467,000 boat. Just look at this, nice. Look at this luxury, people. Even has a grill on there and everything. See the grill? The lounge area. Super nice. And the little breakfast nook kind of area, I guess. Super cool. This spot looks like it's deep enough to go out there and throw for some fish. Especially if they're on the bank swimming by. Thank you. Why, you want to try that again? Look at all these beauty carps.
Oh, look.
He hit it, look. He hit it.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
The first time we come out. You're out of control.
Where that big one at? I want that big one.
Come back here.
He ate my finger. He took my finger. No. Wait. I said don't do that. Get a French fry. Give me a French fry. Give me a French fry. Okay. Nugget, you gotta touch it with the French fry, but you can't try to pet it. Try to pet him. Try to pet it. I said try to pet it, bud. Pet it. Give it a pet. You put the French fry in your hand and he'll eat it out your hand. I told you. Did it hurt? It didn't hurt, did it? Why you jumping then? Get back.
No, but I'm saying, what happened? He wanted to come to me. Why you need to?
All right, that's the end of today's fishing session. I'm leaving the marina now. The boat show was pretty cool. They had some affordable ones and some highly unaffordable boats. I found the fish hiding them. So maybe next time I can catch some somewhere else. But yeah, so stay tuned for the next episode of me searching for fish in Nevada.